Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they need these. I don't know if they need the wordage, but I'm just going to fill this in with red and see it leaks. Well, why does it leak? It leaks because of that right there, that line's not touching that other line. So let's try this. Let's move this out of the way. And let's, first of all, go ahead and group all our red. And if you look, this box is 120 millimeters. Okay. We're going to go object, group, and ungroup. Now you could individually make them longer, but now that's 120 millimeters. This is only 19. So with my ratio unlocked, I'm going to type in 120 millimeters. And then I'm going to move this over. And hopefully it won't leak now. Still got a leak. So what we can do is just back up a little bit. Let's make these things, you know what, I'm going to group them together. And let's make it 121. They're going to be hanging over a little bit, but they won't leak or shouldn't leak. You know, see, they're hanging over just minutely. And now let's take the Smart Fill tool and see what our leak is going. Now, that bothers me if he needs to print that line. If he doesn't need to print that line, it's not that big a deal. But what we could do, you know, I wonder if we just try welding it. I don't think that's going to cure it. They're still hanging over. You know what we could do? Let's try this. Let's unweld them. Let's ungroup them. And I'm nudging the whole time so I can't mess them up. Let's make a duplicate of that and move that back over. I'm playing this by ear. Go ahead and Control G, and then take this box and we'll go ahead and fill it in with, well, we'll use red. Move it over, and you can see that the lines are just barely hanging over. So we have two objects there. Let's select them both, and let's go to intersect. And now they fill in and they're not hanging over because that intersect took that away. Let me delete that, delete that, delete that. Now let's go ahead and now I don't know if he needs, okay, when I first started doing this, I was thinking, let me move these over. I was thinking he was going to smart fill with that word in there, but if he did that, he'd have to fill in these two parts. So that's 3 smart fills. Now, the other way to do it would go ahead and fill these in. The word red is a group, or not a group. We're going to group them. And then we're going to go to object, order, front of page. And when we nudge them over, the red is on top. You didn't have to fill it in. And I'm thinking, see, that your lines just aren't long enough. If I was going to draw something like this, I would make my lines longer and then use the virtual segment delete key instead of going through all the work we just did. See, we got longer lines now. And what I would do, of course, the other way, if you get used to it, but if you'll take your virtual segment delete key with your Alt key, and it'll delete those lines. So I don't know if he needs those words in there. Maybe not, because if it's going to look like this, then he doesn't need those. I think it was just the word red to tell him which one to turn red. Anyway, I hope that helped him and somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.